Hey friends, welcome to Nadia's Crafty Corner. Please visit our website to find all your craft needs, whether it's a wreath or a kit, like the one we're making today, this beautiful Easter egg kit. The egg is hand painted, handcrafted, and we added a little jewel up there to make it a little bit more flashy. The bow is ready made for you, and it will come all nicely and bubble wrapped. All the mesh will be cut to size for you, measured, and ready for you to enjoy the craft. This will be the final product, the beautiful wreath that you'll be able to put on your door. We're going to start with an eco-friendly board. It goes nicely with our egg, the oval shape, the pretty hand-painted egg, and it will all look beautiful together. The mint green mesh is what we're going to use together with the tan color and a little splash of purple. Again, you will get ribbon tails in the kit. Everything is going to be measured and cut for you, ready to go. We will show you how to assemble everything with the pipe cleaners, the clip, and you even get scissors. The bow is ready made, all bubble wrapped. Please make sure you keep the bubble wrap on until after we assemble the wreath. That way the loops stay all nice for you. Here's how we inserted all the pipe cleaners. You could take a screenshot. We went every other zigzag around the board. Take a screenshot so you can do it calmly. Take your mesh, lay it down nicely. The mesh is 10-inch wide. On the side that we cut, we like to roll it in maybe 2 to 3 times. This is where your clip comes in handy. And then you have the raw edge that you want to make sure it gets nicely folded on the inside so that none of the fraying of the mesh will show. And you want to roll in just the same on the other side 2 to 3 times, maybe 4. You can put another clip in there or not, and you can just walk the mesh together. At this point, you will have a very pretty bow tie with cute little curlies, or on the other side, a little bit more flat look. This is the way we're going to use it in our wreath, but you feel free to put it upside down if you want. We are going to put the tan color on the outside pipe cleaners. So that would be row 1, which the pipe cleaner goes into row 1 and row 2. So that's where we want the tan color. Fold it in a V shape a little bit, going toward the outside of the frame. Hold it down securely. And then you can finally place it in our wreath, making sure that you push down on the board and secure the pipe cleaners. You can do it 2 times. No need to do it more, as we will go over with more mesh. We are going to continue with the tan color all around until we get to the end. And you just keep on putting it all around, making sure that you push it down securely. And here we go. We are almost done, so you can take as much time as you need, just making sure that all our tails are facing outwards. We are going to repeat the same fold and the same process with the mint green mesh going on the inside of the ring with the inside pipe cleaners. Again, make sure you push down, give it 2 twists. No need to do more, as we will be filling with more elements. Once all the mint green mesh is in, you want to go in, make sure that you can have a visual on all your pipe cleaners, as we are going to go back and add our cute little touch of purple and some ribbons. So make sure you can find all your pipe cleaners. Time for our pretty purple, and it's very simple. You're just going to take the cut edge and roll it. Just keep on rolling all the way to the other cut edge until you get like a tube type of shape. You're going to fold it in half, and you're going on the mint mesh, and you are going to push it far down and twist. Just twist it a couple of more times, and then at this point we are just going to fill all our purples on the mint section all the way around. You can also at this point take your mesh and let's mix it in a little bit so all the colors are going to be shown on every side of the wreath. So once you put your purple in, go ahead, lift the tan color and place the other one in between, just like I'm doing in there. At this point, you can also cut the pipe cleaners on the mint and purple, not on the tan color, because on that side, we are not done yet. You cut them about 2 inches, and if you feel that you want more security, just go ahead and put a little glue. Time for our ribbon tail, friends. So go ahead and take them out of the packet. You have 3 bundles. We're going to alternate the egg ribbon and the green ribbon. However, the striped will be used for all. So go ahead, start folding it in half. That's just giving us a mark to where to fold it nicely. We are going to start with the green, lay it right in the center. Go ahead and pinch. Form a V shape toward the outside of your wreath, and it's going to look all pretty. Don't forget to add our purple curly underneath our ribbon. That's going to go on every one. So go ahead, find the pipe cleaner for the tan color, and go ahead and insert the right way the point facing out. So the points of your tails facing outward. Go ahead, push it down. Make sure at this point you want to give it a good 2 to 3 twists. At this point, you can go ahead and cut your pipe cleaner and fluff out your tails a little bit. However, we are going to come back later to fluff all our tails. Go ahead and add the pieces separately if it's easier for you. You can go ahead and put in the purple and then go over it with the ribbon. Now we're going to alternate and we're going to use our Easter egg. We're going to fold them in the same manner. So fold them in half. We're going to stagger them a little bit. We're going to pinch in the center, form our little V shape, and go ahead and put them in. Once you have secured your pipe cleaner, go ahead and cut it. And you want to push the little tails of the pipe cleaner underneath your mesh. And go ahead and fluff your ribbons out. Fill the tails all the way around. Make sure you alternate. Make sure you use all the purple curly cues. And then finally, ensure that all the pipe cleaners are cut down. Now you can have a little fun and go around and fluff out your tails. And if you feel that there's too many tails sticking upward, then put them inside with the mesh, just like we mixed them in at the beginning. And now it's finally time for all our fun attachments and the beautiful bow. All our attachment and bow come with extra long pipe cleaners, so make sure you put them inside any of the holes in the board. And you can definitely use a hole that was already used by another pipe cleaners. So place them however you like them, if you want them straight, if you want them on a corner, however you prefer. There are other things like this cute little bunny that you can insert in the wreath if you want to. It does not come with the kit. However, look how pretty the green picks up with the green of the ribbon tails. Very pretty. So that's something you can do and add more to your wreath if you want to. It's very important, friends, that you take the time to ensure the attachments are very well secured on your wreath, especially if you're placing it outside. You want to make sure that it stays well. Now you can go ahead and remove all the bubble wrap that the bow came with, so you can finally see how pretty the bow is and how nicely the loops will stay for you. And look at what you made with the bunny or without the bunny. It's entirely up to you. Feel free to add more elements, flowers, Easter eggs, whatever you want to add to your wreath. And look how pretty that is, right? So you can add more of those around the wreath if you like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure you follow us to see more that we have to offer.